Hello, it's been 2 months since I last uploaded a video on YouTube. It was not that I was tired of filming, but not feeling motivated and not inspired in such difficult times for everyone. So I took a break. I didn't think I'd take a break for so long, but things kept happening back to back and one after the other. So I just didn't feel like picking up the camera, sitting up, doing all this. So I thought I'll update you before I put up some, content. A lot of you have been asking me, what happened? Where are you? Is everything okay? Thanks for your messages, your comments, and all of that. I didn't want to just sit and talk and bore you. So I thought I'll do a little bit of makeup. My skin is bad. I'll tell you about that too. So I'm going to start off applying makeup and also telling you about why I disappeared. So let's start. What is this here? Just splashed on my face. I'll put down whatever I'm using in the description box, okay? So I'm not going to explain what I'm using. So I'm just damping my skin. I got nicely tanned. So what happened was my dad suddenly got a mild heart attack. He just stepped out to buy some things in the sun. It was peak summer that time. Not peak summer, like it was hot. Hyderabad weather is dry and scorched heat. He came home and then he just was shivering and he's feeling weak, and we were attending mass, and in the middle of the mass he's feeling weak, and then he's just like this, and we're like, what happened? And then we called the doctor, and then the doctor said admit him immediately. So we went to this hospital nearby, Rush, and he got admitted and they put a few stents. After 2-3 weeks he is feeling now better. Yeah, it was just a mild heart attack, so but still they had to put some stents because there were few blockages. So everybody just started getting more cautious about each other's health at home. It was just too surprising and shocking for all of us. Then my friend was tested positive. We were all like in shock, and because it was very serious, doctor said 50-50 chances and all of that. Literally scared us all, and I just didn't feel motivated to film anything. We were all like praying and hoping things will get better, and now she's fine, back from the ICU. And then suddenly after that it was like back to back, okay? So I'm telling you everything that happened. Suddenly one day in the morning I woke up with swollen eyes. I thought, maybe I some rash, like, something I ate. I ignored it the first day and second day. And then third day, it was like mad. I was like, I have to go to the doctor. I didn't like go to the doctor, but I just contacted them online because that time it was peak second wave, okay? So I didn't want to go to the doctor and all, but messaged them, and one doctor said you have to do your kidney test. The other one said you have to do some sinus test. So I did everything, whatever all the doctors said. I got all the tests done. I was freaking out going to the hospital, getting my scan done. Sinus scan, you'll have to like get into that machine. That was the first time I got into, that round machine. Full on anxiety. Somehow I got it done. I got my results back. Everything was normal, except there's a mild sinus is what the report said. I was like, okay, at least I got to know something, because if the reports are clear, then you'll go mad. You don't know what is wrong. I was like, okay, chalo, this is sinus only. So I went to the doctor finally. I showed him the reports. He asked me what are the products I'm using, skincare products. So I told him. He said bring it and come. So the next day I went again and I showed him, and he told me to stop using it. I was so disappointed, and he was shouting at me, just stop using it, because I'm going on asking questions. I'm like, I've been using this since almost 3-4 weeks, nothing has happened. Suddenly it's happened. Just stop using it. He yelled at me. I'm like, okay, fine. And then he gave me some, lotion, the calamine, the new one, in a new packaging, I think it was, but I think it's calamine only. So he asked me to apply that morning and night, and I started applying it, and and he gave me some Allegra tablets and the sinus one. Everything was fine. Then this story will continue later. Okay. The next thing what happened is I need to pause my makeup to tell you this. So it's been a year since I've got my new house built. I put in so much effort in getting this house done, and I finally have my own house. Like you can see, the background is different. So this is my new house, just a glimpse of it. So I was busy with that because it's in the finishing stages, right? So you want to like quickly wrap up stuff and not pay the rent for the next month and all that. So I had to stop all this and quickly get this house set up. Yeah, so I have a new house now of my own. I am so grateful to God for this house that He's given me at the right time, because I really needed a space of my own to stay, shelter and food, basic things in life you need to survive. So yeah, that happened, and few days back I thought, okay, chalo, my house is set up now, I can start filming and all that. So I thought, okay, let me start using my old products. Like doctor said, you can use it after some days. He was like hesitatingly saying that you can, okay, fine, you can start using it after 3-4 weeks. So I used it, and I wake up the next day immediately with a swollen eye again. And not only a swollen eye, but my whole face got rashes. It was red, it was bumpy. It is still, you cannot see it on the camera right now, but if I come close. So yeah, that is what has been happening in my life. That's where I disappeared. It's actually blue, but then it's looking green. Sephora Soften something. I'm just playing, okay? So there's no I just wanted to come and talk about what's going on. Yeah, I feel like I owed an explanation. I didn't want to suddenly put up some content and be like, yay, I'm back. My skin is like Daisy. You already ruined me, and now you're putting on some makeup, and I felt like putting on something. It's been long. I'm back. I just finished my eyes. I didn't want to, talk and do such a intense eye. I don't know why I chose this eye makeup. I am just hoping that I don't break out after this, because it's been 2 months that I'm applying some makeup. I thought I'll come down here and talk and tell you what's up. Slowly start getting back, putting up some content. Hopefully we'll be back on track. I think that is it. Thought I'll do something blue because I'm feeling blue. I'll see you all in my next video, which is hopefully soon. And yes, I'll be doing a house tour, showing you my house, but that'll take some time because it's not fully set up. Yeah, maybe I'll do a day in my life or something. Let me know what you want to see or what you want to watch, and I'll see you in my next. Bye.